Welcome to Chapter 6. In this chapter, we explore how Rajasthan's tribes harness local flora not just for medicine, but as food, animal feed, tools, and building materials, showing the full spectrum of plant human interdependence. Tribal farmers cultivate a mix of cereals, pulses, and vegetables adapted to semi-arid soils: mustard, Brassica campestris, chili, capsicum annum, gram, Cicer arietinum, pumpkin, Cucurbita maxima, cluster bean, Siamopsis tetragonoloba, pearl millet, Pennisetum americanum, finger millet, horse gram, wheat, madge, and more. Beyond fields, locals gather wild foods: beng, Acacia nilotica, bale, Eagle marmelos, kikar, Prosopis cineraria, bear, Sisyphus spp. And in times of scarcity, turn to famine staples like centrus grasses, Tribulus terrestris, and ficus fruits. Cattle, goats, camels, and donkeys survive on grasses, sedges, and shrubs, seasonal grasses in plains, leafy fodder from khejdi, prosopis, and bear, and pods of bale, critical resources in pastoral economies. Hardwoods like teak, dhok, Anagessus pendula, and babul, Acacia nilotica, supply timber for plows and carts, posts for thornhedge fences, and dry wood for fuel. Tribal taboos often protect key species from overharvest. Fibrous plants, vetiver, date palm fronds, and grass species become mats, baskets, and ropes. These everyday items showcase resourcefulness in converting wild plants into durable crafts. Harvesting aligns with seasons: monsoon grasses in August, bear berries in May. Sacred groves and taboos regulate collection, certain trees off limits during flowering, ensuring regeneration and long-term availability. Traditional agroforestry mixes trees and crops: khejdi and babul interplanted with millets provide shade, nitrogen fixation, and fodder. This mosaic supports soil fertility and buffers against drought. From crafting sickles to building brushwood check dams, tribal ingenuity turns plant materials into tools for agriculture, water management, and construction, reflecting deep ecological knowledge. Rajasthan's tribes leverage over 50 plant species for food, feed, fuel, fiber, and tools. Understanding these ethnobotanical practices reveals pathways for sustainable land use, biodiversity conservation, and climate resilience. Rajasthan's tribes harness over 50 native species in a fully integrated system. They cultivate drought-tolerant staples like pearl millet, gram, mustard, and cluster bean, while gathering wild edibles, bale, acacia, and figs as supplements of famine foods. Livestock forage on seasonal grasses and the pods and foliage of khejdi and bear, and hardwoods such as teak, anagessus, and babul provide timber for tools, fuel wood, and thornhedge fencing. Fiber-rich vetiver and date palm leaves are woven into mats, baskets, and ropes, and plant materials are also crafted into checkdams and agricultural implements. Sacred grove protections and taboos against harvesting during flowering, along with traditional agroforestry, intercropping nitrogen-fixing trees with millets, ensure regeneration, soil fertility, and resilience in this semi-arid landscape.